Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. For today's video, we are going to list these colors. First is yellow. Second is pink. And third is orange. Fourth is blue. The fifth is red. And sixth is green. And the last one is purple. So these are the colors. That's all for today. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our video. Bye. Well, hi guys. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, si Bibi daw ayaw pa matulog. Tapos, yun lang. Ayaw pa matulog si Bibi. Tapos, nakikinig lang siya kay mama. Paano yun, guys? Yan. Gagawin natin, guys. For today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to hele the baby. How to make wait guys, let me think. How to beaten the baby. The tree. No, that's bad naman. Tignan nyo guys, nakakaupo na ang baby guys. Ay. Yan. Yan. Ay, wala. Wala yun guys. Mukha ba guys? Ano ba kayo guys? Wala yun guys. Akala ko guys kung ano na yung kinakain ng baby guys. Yun pala eh. Balay. Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Look guys, to. Ano guys, tingnan nyo ang bata guys. Kung paano ang bata na ayaw matulog. Tingnan nyo kung anong dapat gawin sa bata na ayaw matulog. Tingnan nyo guys. Una, hawakan nyo siya dito. Sunod, ganun. No guys. Bad yun guys. Hold. Tapos guys, sumasakit yung tiyan ko guys. Ayaw pa matulog ng baby guys. Paano yun guys? Ibitin ng baby sa taas ng tree. B. Ihagis ang baby, pati watek. C. What do you think guys? What you think? You're up. What you think guys? Hey guys. What now guys? What the fuck? Ay, sorry guys. My bad guys. Mukhang pwedeng gawin sa baby guys. Para matulog ang baby guys. Hala, runang na talaga mo po ang baby Ano kaya ang inisip ni baby? Bot. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Bye! Wait, guys. Say bye-bye. Bibi, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to our YouTube channel. Bibi, say bye-bye na. Bibi, say bye-bye na. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Look, oh, Bibi. Look, oh, Bibi. Bye, guys. Close open. 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 Wait lang, ako na to. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Ay, kita si mama, guys. Dapat Bibi lang ang makita, guys. Ano ba yan, guys? Kita si mama. Anyway, guys, let's bye-bye na to all our fans and subscribers out there, and especially our haters. Bye, guys. Paalam. Kanina po kami nagbababay, guys. Tingnan yung pero and baby. Ay, pa rin magbabay, guys. Ano ba, guys? Wow! Chichi. Close open mo na. Close open. Close open. Dude, pinapansin ng baby, guys. What do you think? What I'm gonna do? Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm just going to bye-bye na, guys. Bye, guys! Ito na talaga, guys. Final na to, guys.